virgin, freaky girl under the sheets. Don't you love when things start slowing down? I know you got me, baby.
Out-of-town transportation. How to travel from Solo to Surabaya. Two people sitting and talking at a... Hi, I'm planning to go to Surabaya from Solo next week. What's the best way to get there? There are several options. You can take a train, a travel minibus, or even a flight. The train is the most convenient for most people. How long does it take by train? It takes around 4 to 5 hours depending on the type of train. The Argo Wilis and Sancaka trains are popular options that depart from Solo Balapan station. This sounds good. How much is the ticket? It depends on the class. Economy class is around 100,000 rupiah to 150,000 rupiah, while executive class can be up to 300,000 rupiah. What about the minibus? The minibus is slightly faster because it uses the toll route, but it's less comfortable. The price is around 120,000 rupiah. They usually pick you up at home, though, so it's convenient. And flying flights are quick, only about 45 minutes, but they're usually more expensive and you have to go to the airport early. It's not really worth it unless you're in a hurry. I see. I think I'll take the train. Thank you a lot. Anytime. I hope you can a safe trip to Surabaya.
Em vô nhà thương, em vô nhà thương, em vô nhà anh biết thương.